Hi everyone! This week I have a market coming up. Actually, it's on Friday. It's Wednesday today. So in these couple of days I'm going to have to kind of refill my stock. I did sell a good amount of stuff in my last market. I didn't sell out or anything, so I still have enough product, but my display just wouldn't be as full as I would like it to be. I also have never done this market before. I think it's a smaller market. I'm gonna have to look it up, the specifics. Let's start making stuff. Okay, so I did actually get an email from the organizer last night, and it said that it's going to be an indoor market. I didn't know that if it was gonna be outside or inside. And we're only going to be allowed to bring a 6-foot table. So since I'm not setting up my whole booth, I'm only going to have one table. I don't need to make as much as I thought I would. So I just went ahead and cut out a couple of coin purses and bow keychains in the fabric that's my best seller. And I have some stuff pre-cut as well. I think I have a book sleeve up there, so I'm gonna make that. And I'll just try to see how much stuff I have. I'll go through everything, but I think for one table I definitely have enough already. I just want to refill my coin purses because those sold very well my last market, and I don't want that to be empty. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a couple of coin purses and bow keychains, and then we'll see if I need to make anything else, and I'll just start packing my car because it's tomorrow. I completely forgot that I had this market coming up, so yeah. It's tomorrow. It's a night market. It's going to start at 4 p.m. and go until 9 p.m. Okay, I'm first going to make 2 bow keychains in this fabric. Whenever I make anything in this fabric, it sells at my markets. I should probably keep more stuff in this pattern on hand. I also have not posted about this market anywhere on my social media because I completely forgot that I had it, that I signed up for it. And then I was looking at my calendar the other day. I was like, oh, and I'm gonna do this one by myself because since it starts at 4 o'clock, my husband's still gonna be at work, and I don't want to make him have to work after he got off work. Hand sewing these at the end is a little hard, so I always have to use a thimble. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, sometimes I have to use it, but this one was actually surprisingly easy, or maybe my grip strength is getting better with the needle. But this one is done. Look how cute. These sold so quickly at the last market. 2 girls came into my booth, they're like, oh, we're gonna take those. I was like, cool. So yeah, this is the second one. I think I like how the fabric looks on this one the best. I love the flowers, so cute. Let's finish the second one now. Alright, now let's move on to the coin purses. I only have 3 that I cut out. All quilted. I think I'm gonna make this book sleeve real quick, and then I'll be done for the night. Okay guys, it's the day of the market and let's get ready for it. It's about 12:30 right now. The market starts at 4, but we're allowed to get there anytime from like 2 till 4 p.m. I think I'm going to try to get there at 2:30 or maybe 3 o'clock, because since it's only one table setup, it's not gonna take a long time at all. I am also going to try to record more there, but since it's just gonna be me, I don't know if I'll be able to. So I'm just gonna do my makeup now. Okay, I decided to change my shirt for something a little less casual. Well, I think, because it's a button up, you know. It's still like casual because it's a cropped shirt, but I think it looks nicer because the venue where we're gonna be at, I think it's like a fancy restaurant kind of venue. So I wanna look the part, you know. I also did like half up, half down so you could see my earrings. I think it looks really cute. And just these regular like jeans or flared jeans. I'm not good at doing outfits of the day things. I want to get better at it, but not good yet. Okay, so right now I'm going to pack everything that I'm gonna bring with me. At this market, they only allow 1 6-foot table, so I'm not gonna bring my shelf with me or my tent, and it's an indoor market, so the packing is going to be very easy to do. And this one, probably just take these 2 with me. I pack my totes in a smaller box, and then I pack everything else in this one. I'm excited to see which bag is gonna win for the giveaway. This one is in the lead for now. And this one has a 2nd place and this one is in a 3rd place, but we'll see. It might change by tomorrow. I like all of them. I don't know which one I would prefer. The yellow one is the biggest one, so you know, you can fit more stuff in it. It's so nice because these 3 like plastic boxes fit perfectly into this box. I need to make sure that I don't forget the displays for these ones. But also, I don't know how I'm gonna set everything up on just one table, so we'll see. All right, we're all packed up and ready to be loaded into the car. Okay, I think we're all good to go. I didn't put the seat down because I don't really have that much stuff to take with me anyways. Okay, I'm all ready to go. I made myself some coffee. I'm not bringing any snacks because I don't usually eat when I'm by myself. I feel like too anxious. I don't want to like start eating and then people come up to my booth and I have like mouthful of food, and I just like, I don't like it. So I just bring my coffee with me. I'm gonna see if my other phone will record. If not, I'll just be doing like little updates in between, but I'll try to record my setup. I don't know how much space I'm gonna have there to record it, but hopefully I'll be able to set up my phone where y'all can see how I'm setting up. Hey guys, I'm editing this video right now and I realized that I never recorded like how my market went after I was done with it. It did not go well. It did not go well at all. I did not even make my vendor feedback, so safe to say I'm not gonna do this market again. One of the things that happened, we were not made aware that it was the first time they did that event at this specific venue, so no one showed up. So yeah, you know, I know before I told myself that I'm not gonna do smaller events that I like I'm not sure about anymore, but I still did this one because I was like, oh, I have that weekend free, so I might as well just do a market, you know. But yeah, I'm learning from my mistakes. So it was still good practice. Every experience is experience, even bad one. So I'm staying positive, even though like this month has been like super slow for me. But fair enough, I've been like pretty busy with like traveling and other things, and I'm gonna like have another trip coming up. So yeah, it's okay. So next I'm just gonna show you a couple of clips from our trip to Texas. We were really busy there because my husband was in the wedding and I was helping with the wedding. So yeah, sorry I didn't post a video last week. It was just a little crazy and a lot of travel and we were exhausted. But hopefully I'll be done with this one soon and it'll go out not too late this week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for 6,000 subscribers. I can't believe that we just hit 5K and now it's 6K already. Yeah, let's get back to the video. Okay, we're gonna try Dutch Bros today. I have been wanting to try them for a long time. I got a Kokomo, and let's see if it tastes good. It is really good. They use their chocolate milk for this one, and my friend recommended it. So yeah, I'm glad I finally got to taste it. Do you like it? We're getting on our flight in a couple of hours and gonna go back to North Carolina.